This is Celkon C27 and the SIM2 was not working in this mobile, and we are going to troubleshoot this problem. So first of all, learn how to disassemble this mobile. We have 1 2 6 screws in this mobile, here, these sides, this one. So we will unscrew it first. From here we will cut it, because when we disassemble this, it will not come from that side, because here it is the sticker which is not leaving that piece. So we will cut it from here, like this. We will cut this part also. Cut it properly until the board comes nicely. Now the board has come outside. Now we can see these pins, golden pins here. First of all, we will check if the pins were bended or the pins were cutted from any side. These pins, if these two pins on here, you can see in the holes, you can see these pins. These 6 pins were for the first SIM, and this pin, and inside here you can see another pin. It was not clearly shown in this video because it was in lower side. So these pins, if damaged, then the second SIM will not work. First of all, you have to check these two ones. After that, you have to check if there is the soldering has removed and the SIM tray was shaking or not. First you have to check this. Sometimes the soldering of the SIM tray was damaged, and that's why SIMs were not working. We have to check these solderings, these legs. If there is any damage, you have to resolve it. The problem will be solved. and there is nothing like that in this mobile. So I will check for this another solution. I will check inside of the SIM tray. Now I will bend this pins inside and I will put the SIM. Now let's see what happens. No, it was not working. The SIM tray problem was still like that, so we need to change this SIM tray set. No method has been working, so we'll change it later. Thanks. So now this is the method how we assemble the board. Like this. Here is the mic. Settle it down. Press it and screw it. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Have a nice day.